Socorro! Someone help me! Hi everyone, the word of the day is socorro. Socorro. Socorro is quite an interesting word. Socorro can be a person's name. For example, Socorro es una buena persona. Socorro es una buena persona. Also, socorro can be a noun, and it means help. Also, it is similar to assistance or aid. Basically, it's something that relates to helping. Socorro can be a masculine noun. El socorro or un socorro. There isn't a plural form. Even though this is a masculine noun, you will not hear el socorro or un socorro. Usually, socorro is used by itself. Now, let's see a few examples using socorro. El equipo de socorro llegó a tiempo. El equipo de socorro llegó a tiempo. Sometimes you will see the verb pedir before socorro. Pedir socorro. Pedir means to ask, and socorro is help. So the translation would be to ask for help. To ask for help. Pedir socorro. Of course, you will need to know how to conjugate pedir. Pedir. For example, una mujer está pidiendo socorro. Vamos a ayudarla. Una mujer está pidiendo socorro. Vamos a ayudarla. Socorro can also be used by itself as an interjection. Socorro, help. Socorro. You can use socorro by itself. It can also be followed by any other sentence. For example, socorro, me ahogo. Socorro, me ahogo. So in an emergency, you can use socorro or ayuda. They both pretty much mean help. Okay, that was the word of the day. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Visit smlessons.com for more free Spanish lessons. Support this channel by sharing this video with your friends and by giving the thumbs up. Also, leave me more examples down below using socorro. Okay, thank you for watching, for all your support, and I'll see you next time. Bye!